further the brink, no leader at all. Truth be told, I prefer second fiddle. Leave behind is a sense of passing time, missing all that's left to find is a vision. Dreams all mine. The harder I push, the more that I look. The years that it took to be understood, and the harder I strive, the more that the hunger I hide is more than the longer I go, the more that I choke. The hands on my throat, I've been waiting for, and the harder I go, the more that I know that I will, the more that think that I thought the further I walk, the closer I'd stalk to what I look for. We head to the water, lambs to the slaughter. Yes, I let it fall, but I'll be back one day to settle my scores. I don't soar, but moving the doors of history's hordes and lust in it all. The moment I pause, I fall to the floor. So stick to the cause. I'll be back one day to start. We'll leave behind is a sense of passing time, yes, and all that's left to find is a vision. Dreams all mine.